go back to sales pipeline, in here, we can then be able to create a deal in sales pipeline. As you can see, this is saying ticket while this is saying deal. So you want to also make sure to check if you want to name both of them as deal, or if you want to name whatever it is you want to name. And we are going to click on create new deal. So when we are creating new deal, as you can see, we need the deal name, we need the contact name, and we also need the sub stage pipeline. Then we need to choose a stage for the sub pipeline, and we also need to choose a closing date, and we also need to add all of this if you want. So we are just going to add in a simple name, which we are going to call CRM. So we are going to check in for a contact. We can decide to associate a contact that is already existing in this Zoho Bigin account. So we can just pick a random contact and just associate them with this deal. So we can pick this person, and we can pick a sub pipeline if we want. And when you pick a sub pipeline, you can pick a stage for the sub pipeline. So we can say this is qualification, and you can pick the amount for the deal. As you can see, the amount for deal is in US dollars. In your settings, you can decide to change this to your currency. So let's say we want to keep this at $1,000, and we want the closing date to be maybe 25th of December, which is on Christmas Day. And we can decide to name this, we can decide to add in the number of employee as 1 to 100. We can say the budget is $1,000, and we can say the proposal, no, we cannot add that. So we can also leave the rest blank, and we can click on save. And when you click on save, that is going to create a new deal inside of your pipeline. And as you can see, it's saying the history in here. You can see the history of who created this deal. You can see the email that have been triggered by the workflow. You can see all the information in here. You can see the email, you can see the phone number, you can even see the stage that they are currently in. And you can even add tags in here. You can say maybe they are odd or they are one. You can add in whatever tag it is you want to create. And you can also see your notes here. If you have any notes that you want to add about this deal, you can add that. And if you have any activities like the tags that has been done, the the events that has been created, you can see that in here. And if you send an email to this, oh my god, I'm in contact. Oh no. Okay, so I'm back in deal. I didn't know I was in contact. Okay, so we can see the deal here, and we can send email if we want. We can collect payments from this deal if we want. We can also see the email history for this deal. We can see the stage history when they get to each stages at each particular time. We can see the file that has been associated with this deal. We can also see the products that we are adding for this particular deal. I hope now you understand how to use this particular part of your Zoho Bigin account, or you understand this particular feature. If you would like to book a free discovery call with us to tell us the challenges or to tell us what you are currently having issues with in your Zoho Bigin account, you can click on the link below and book your discovery call. And also do not forget to like this video and also share this video to everyone who might need this video. And also do not forget to subscribe to this channel, because we are going to be posting more educational content like this, and we do not want you to miss it. Thank you so much guys as you do that, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.